In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to pre-order GTA 6. So we all know by now that GTA 6 pre-order date is June the 25th. So I'm going to quickly show you how you can get ready for this. I'll show you how to pre-order it on both Xbox and PS5. So the first thing you need to do is go into your search bar and type in Xbox Store and click this first link here. Go to the search bar and type in GTA 6. Now click on the game. And what you need to do is add it to your wish list. So you can see here, I've already got mine in my wish list. So this is going to give me a notification tomorrow when I can actually purchase pre-order. So it's the exact same method on PlayStation. Type in PlayStation Store, click on the top link, go to your search bar and type in GTA 6. Click on GTA 6. Add it to your wish list and you'll also get a notification tomorrow. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you're excited for GTA 6 and if you're going to pre-order it, and I'll see you in the next one.